Oh, dang. What the heck is that? I didn't even see that.
This is how we found the box. It was broken.
Oh, look what my sister-in-law found. Another Stanley. And chonies. What's cracking, YouTube? And here we are for another video, another update on pallets. This time we're getting half a truck. And we're going to be just showing you guys the breakdown, how the pallets look if you buy truckloads. So if you're new to our channel, what we do is we buy and we resell merchandise, and we buy it by the truckloads and we buy the pallets. So if you're ever buying pallets, this is what they look like straight off the truck. These are fresh new pallets off the truck. Remember, one thing we always say is you want to keep an eye out for this green label here, and you want to make sure there's not excessive saran wrap or your labels are not wrapped over to where it looks like someone has gone through it. But this is half a truckload. It's 14 pallets. It's yeah, so this is just the intro to that video. And if you're new to our channel, you want to find out what it is to buy and sell and liquidate truckloads of Target merchandise, give us a follow. But this would be the next 5 or 4 days of us breaking down the truck. Look at some of the cool stuff that I've been finding in the... Oh, look what my sister-in-law found. Another Stanley. And chonies. But that's pretty cool. Check that out.
Where's the closed one at, guys?
That's pretty cool.
Okay.
It's got a dent though. That's why it's here. Oh yeah, that's nice. And these lunchbox and tumblers were found in this box. So it looks like it's closed, but there's other stuff in there.
Overwhelmed?
What are you overwhelmed with?
With work? What do you mean, what am I overwhelmed? What do you mean? Hey, this one actually might...
I'm already recording, just so you know.
It's okay. It's reality.
So what's this truck, babe? How many pallets did you get on this one?
I only got 12, guys, because I sold the other 12 to a really good friend of ours. Because we still had plenty of merchandise, so we didn't need that much. But we got a lot of health and beauty, a lot of toys, luggages, and so far one full gaylord of nothing but clothes. So it's good stuff. It's just a lot of reorganizing over and over and over again. So I was like, I'm gonna hide. What is this? An inflatable mattress.
That's pretty cool.
It looks nice. Look, should we keep
a Sound Rover 180.
when we go camping? For when we start having a normal life?
These wicker baskets have always been selling pretty good.
For when we go camping.
These ones.
Is this going to be our bags?
Yeah, for when we go camping.
You're going to put my...
So this is the health and beauty she's talking about.
Yeah.
And my flashlight. And yours.
Oh wow.
Yes, my love.
Brothers too.
You had 2 of those subwoofer things, huh?
Where are the...
2. You have 2 of these speakers?
Yes, 2 of the big ones, and then I have that one. That's, it floats in the water and everything.
Oh dang! What the heck is that? I didn't even see that.
Yeah.
Rock Box XL 2.0. So that's pretty cool.
Is there a trash bag over there, Lord?
Did these Cheez-Its and cookies come in the pallet too?
No, those are mine. I brought them.
Oh, and then these new popular bug houses to protect the bugs from the birds.
Get yourself a bird house.
No, this is a bug house.
No, but I said
Get yourself a
for as little as $1.
oh, $1. $1.
Here, there.
Put those in the backyard.
We
so
got
we can...
a $450 dollar car seat. Really, really nice. Oh, and look, the Knuckles backpack.
Here, my sister-in-law. Don't lowball us. Which backpack?
The
Where is it at? I don't see it.
Up there. Everything pretty much up there is all new merchandise.
Oh yeah, that Knuckles is pretty cool. Is that Loungefly or is that just...
I think it's just the Target brand. If that makes any sense.
It's 12 pallets. Yeah, that's right. 12 and 12 is 24. Here's the diapers came out. More diapers to come. Pallets broken down. And cardboard. Yeah, so we got this. You're going to throw away this Schwinn thing?
No, that's not trash.
Okay, cool. But this is trash.
Yeah.
It's looking good, looking good, looking good. This is day 3. We'll be back in hopefully 2 more days. And everything will then look really good, really nice, ready to be sold. Delaney, do you want to say peace? I'll see you later, guys.
Bye.
Hey guys, good afternoon. I hope everybody's doing well. We are supposed to open today, but we're still debating. We still got a few things to price and a few things to put away. Here, say hi.
Hi.
And we're still cleaning. We want to make sure that everything looks nice and tidy. But we have some sad news, guys. They stole right in front of our faces. We had a nice stroller. I'll have Frank post a picture of it. It was a super nice pre-built stroller and someone stole it. We didn't notice that until today. Now that we finished putting out all the new merchandise from this previous truck is when we realized that the bag of the nice stroller, it was there, but no stroller. We looked around, we cleaned out the office and everything, thinking it might have been there, and nope, it's not there. Somebody walked out with it. They also took all the silver and gold that we had. Look, this is how we found the box. It was broken. And everything's gone, so it is a little sad that people do that because we work so hard. Literally, we have no day off. We're working here from super early morning to like late at night, and it's just unfair that people do that. But we just wanted to show you guys too how the shop looks for this weekend sale. Now we gotta work even extra harder to try to make that up because that was one of our big ticketed items. So yeah.